Everyone's raving about the new DJI Osmo Nano, but here is why I am not buying it.
Honestly, if you don't have one, this is why you should get this one.
So I have 3 reasons why I think you should choose this Osmo Action 4. So reason number 1, I just really love the selfie screen. I know that with the Nano, you have a monitor and you can detach it and all those types of things. But to me, this is just such a better experience when vlogging. I guess reason 1.5 is the screen on the back too. If you're at a wedding and you're trying to maybe get some shots on like a dance floor or something like that, being able to just kind of monitor what you're doing without having to have 2 different pieces. I know they connect to each other, but I don't know, this just feels a little more natural to me. The second reason is I love the D-Log. I know that the Nano has D-Log. Probably can't go wrong with D-Log on any of these DJI cameras. The way that it color grades and the way that it converts to Rec 709, it's like immediately in perfect condition. And then you just color it, especially if you're in good lighting, which I think is really, really cool. And again, I think in this form factor, it's going to be a lot easier to be getting some of those pro shots that are in D-Log. If you put this on, say like a gimbal or a rig, which I think brings me to my third point. You can rig this thing up. The cage that comes with the Adventure combo, I think it is a great place to start. It gives you another mount on the side, so you can actually buy it super cheap on Amazon, and it magnetically connects to the side so that you can have a cold shoe mount. So that's great if you want to hook up a mic or an external light or anything like that. Now here's the kicker. I really was interested in the Nano because of the ability to sort of mount it on your chest. I thought those POV shots would be way cooler than anything I could get with this, and I was proven wrong. I was able to find on Amazon this little guy by K&F. I'll leave a link to everything down below that we're talking about in this video. You can put this around your neck and you're able to magnetically hold it on your chest. So this is great for POV shots, especially when you're shooting in the wide or the ultra wide modes on here. So in my opinion, I guess the Nano feels like a POV camera only, but this Action 4 feels like more of a complete package, something that you can use in a variety of different situations, professional situations. And it has more versatility with its form factor, in my opinion.
So for these reasons are why we think you should be sticking to the Action 4. Believe me? Don't believe me? Try it out for yourself.
Leave your answer in the comments below.
We'll get back to you as quickly as possible. We'll see. I don't know. She's struggling with that. We'll try.
She answers the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about the DJI Action 4, let us know in the comments below as well. Also, just real quick, this little DJI Mic 2, you can record onto the device and it syncs wirelessly via Bluetooth.
Sorry guys, she's a boomer. She just learned all of this.
Not a Excuse me! I just didn't realize it was a recorder, okay? I thought it was just a transmitter and we needed a receiver. I didn't realize you could record on it. All right, that's all for now. Thanks, y'all.